Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, rear corner covers, and base enclosure. Removal. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully rotate the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the top cover until you gain access to the power button board. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the USB board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 2.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Remove the power button board from the retention tabs and alignment pins that secure it to the top cover. Place the power button board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the power button board from the static dissipative bag. Place the power button board onto the alignment pins and under the retention tabs on the top cover. Replace the 2.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board ZIF connector on the USB board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Carefully rotate the left display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left display panel hinge to the top cover.